Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Catalina and today I'm excited to bring you a special video in collaboration with DYU featuring their latest innovation, the DYU C3-14 Foldable E-Bike. I just received a new bike from DYU Electric Bikes. It's the model C3-14. And I'm super excited about this one. I will show it to you right away. I will unpack it and see how it looks. I saw some pictures and photos on their website and looks amazing, but of course that nothing compares with the real thing. So I'm really excited. Let's see what it is inside the box. Okay, so the bicycle is almost assembled. We just have to lift the handle because it's folded. Here we have the manual, we have the charger, we have oh, this is really handy. We have all the tools that we need to assemble. Like this is pretty handy. And of course the pedals. So all we need to do is to remove all these plastics, then put the pedals, put the seat, and to lift this this handle. So I think I will remove all the plastic and everything, and then I will ask my husband for help. I don't want to mess anything, so I think he's better on doing it. So the seat is already in place. I put the pedals. My husband is checking the brakes to see if everything is safe and secure. And I think this was pretty much it. It was really easy to assemble. I think I could do it myself as well, but of course I want to make sure that everything gets in place and nothing gets loose, so it's safe to ride. And here she is. Here are the controllers. So this is the power button, and this is the basically the engine button. With this button you can use it for the lights as well. You just need to press it for 5 seconds and then the rear light and the front light are on. Let me show it to you. And also with this, so this is the rear light, and this is the front light. So you just need to press this button for approximately 5 seconds and the lights will be on. This bike can be ridden with pedal assistance and full electric. It has full electric mode as well. And you can use the same button for cruise control. So while you're getting to a certain speed, you can simply push that button and it will stay on that speed. It has an adjustable seat, which is very convenient because depending on your height, you can adjust that for a comfortable riding. Now the handle is foldable, and you have this safety here to put it on to make it sure that it won't I don't know, while riding, to be safer in place and make sure that your handle will stay in place. And let me show you how to unfold that. The handle is really easy to do it, so I will just take off the brake and then push on that handle, and it's like this. And it's really convenient that you can put it in your trunk, on your car, and have a nice bicycle ride. Okay, so when I first started to ride on this bike, I felt like the pedal assistant is not getting speed, so I needed to turn the throttle first, and then I could feel the speed of the bike, because I do prefer pedal assistant, because I do want to keep on pedaling while riding a bike. But of course, if you prefer full electric, pure electric, then you can turn the throttle and you will get some speed. And with the button on the right handle, while you're getting to a certain speed, you can push the button and this will activate the cruise control, and it will keep you on the same speed while you're riding. And of course, with the brake you can deactivate it. So I think it's pretty cool for the size. The speed, it was perfect for me. I'm not looking for high speed bikes, because I think my safe it's on the first place. I do believe that is really comfortable to ride. It is stable even if it's small, and I love that it has a sturdy metal frame which will give you the stability that you will need, but it's also lightweight, and it has compact dimensions, so it's easy to handle. And I think it's perfect for urban commuting, or if you want to go to some places like me, to quiet places, and have your time, relaxing time, crocheting or doing whatever you want. I love that it has the rear shelf, because there you can carry a luggage. You can carry up to 25 kilos, I think. So if you want to go for small shoppings, you can do it and carry your bags on the rear shelf. So I think it's pretty handy as well. So yeah, I think I'm pretty impressed by the speed, handling, comfort. It's perfect. It has compact dimension, it's lightweight, it has a reliable battery with quick charging capabilities. I don't know, and it's really affordable. So I think it's perfect for me. It's perfect to take it with me when I want to go in some quiet places and have some crochet time outside now, especially because it's a nice weather outside. So I love it. What can I say? I think it's also perfect for teenagers, for example, to go to school or something. It's not really fast, so you don't need to worry about their safety. Of course, using a helmet and everything, all the gear that are required to keep your kids safe, but I think it's perfect for them as well. So yeah, I think the new DYU C3-14 Foldable E-Bike is a game changer, offering smart design, performance, and most important, affordability. So don't forget to check out the DYU website for more details, and yeah, I hope you like it.